back in the flesh of my 6X. White tee, button up sleeves, rolled up, fitting me nicely.
Hey, what's going on, goons and gobs? It's your main man, Ingestion Engine, aka Greasy Goblin, as some of you may know. And today I'm back with another super official Chug Baby Can Dig Man. No, you can't listen, man. Diego, this one's for you. You've been talking that smack. I told you put your money where your mouth is. You said water. Today I got the tall can. I'm about to demolish. I'm about to devour. So get ready. Enough talk. 3, 2, 1. Comes at you like a freight train. Oh my goodness. A little bit of spillage. I can't tell me as much of anything, just a couple drops. But anyway, Diego, good luck. You're gonna need it. And peace. Quick little video.